Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. They're going to show you the blind spot detection system installed on Maserati Ghibli 2016. So we have two sensors on each side of the bumper, and inside the vehicle we have two LEDs, one for each side. The left in here and to the right. When the vehicle is running, the LEDs are activated. If there is anything in their way, for example in this case we have the wall on the right side, they will light up. In this case we don't have anything behind, nothing close enough to the sensor, so the sensor stays off. So if we put a signal to the left, we will not have any indication that there's nothing there. But if we put a signal to the right, we'll have a sound and we'll have the LED flashing to remind us there's something close by to us. That way, if there's something in your blind spot that you cannot see on the mirror, the LED will indicate there's something there. Now let's say if you're driving around and even though there was nothing in your blind spot before, but suddenly something came to your blind spot, you immediately get the sound and you get an indication. Put a signal again, and that will remind you there's something there. Blind spot detection systems and collision alert systems can be found at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.